Guys, me, Davey. I'm gonna be playing Minecraft. When it just started, this girl just smacked me all the way far, and that was really bad. No, no, please, no, no, no. You're not gonna smack me off, can you? No, you're not. And never mind. See, that's how. I'm gonna go smack him off real quick. No, I'm gonna use. Yeah, I'm gonna smack him off. Fuck that. You know, Preston used to say cuss. I know that. I don't really care because I'm just a follower. I'm just kidding. I'm good. Okay, I'm good. 1, 2, 3. No, I'm just gonna smash this. Oh my gosh! Fuck this. Fuck that. You know what? Fuck that. Let me run for it. Come on. Fuck that. No. Go on! Let me! Bitch! No! It's a close! No! You know what? Let's wait till they all get out of there, cause fuck that. No! What the fuck? Why would he cut that off? Dude, I'm using that. That's how we make a better jump. No, he isn't. I don't give a shit right now. Right now, I'm just gonna do what I did, so. Dude, you're gonna make us lose like that. That's why I'm like this. That's how you do it. Dude, I'm going for it. Fuck that. Why you? I'm gonna go for it fast. Let's go for it. Why, dude? Why do you gotta do this to me? Why? Okay, fuck that. I'm gonna come kill you now. I'm gonna come help Red. What the fuck? Oh. Red. Orange. Team. And purple. Red. Green. That's a great idea. It's a very great idea, dude. I think they agree with it. Okay, I think they agree with it. Okay, yep. Let's go for it. Fuck you. Oh, shit. They're so annoying right now. You know what? Fuck that. I'm gonna go for purple. Fastly. So, boy! Go for it! No, stop! What the fuck? I think this guy just betrayed me. Don't make stairs. Damn it. Fuck you. Fuck you! No. Come on, come on, come on. No! 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 Why? 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 You're such a bastard, retarded. Please give me the iron. Please give me the iron. I need iron. Please give me the iron. Come on. Okay. And boom, 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 boom. I'm just gonna have an extra. For some reason, you just got an extra one. Boom, boom. I'm so fancy. Boom, 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 and then let's try to knock him off. And never mind, I was gonna try to knock him off. Why does it always gotta happen to me? We both used to do the same damn. Okay, let's try, okay. You! No! No! I almost smack her. I almost smacked that girl out here right now. There's only 2 right now, so why? I'm gonna go help this. Fuck. Fuckity fuck. Shit! These guys are so annoying! So annoying now! You're such an annoying bastard. You're such an annoying bastard! Guys. I hope we all like the video. So peace out.